In this video, I'll show you how to create rolling end credits in CapCut. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. Open the CapCut app on your phone, then start a new project, add your video, and once your video is ready, go ahead and edit it, add all the text or images that you want to add to it. Now, once it's done, what you will do is scroll down all the way to the end of your video. You can delete this little video that CapCut automatically adds to the end. And once you're here, go ahead and add your text and start typing your credits. Once your text is ready, you can play around with the size, make it a little bit bigger or smaller. And what you will do is drag down all the text to the bottom of your screen. You pretty much want to drag out the text so you can see it. Then go ahead and add a keyframe to your text. So select it, then tap on this little diamond icon. Then you will swipe all the way until the end of your text. And what you will do here is drag up the text until you see the last person's name. Once you do that, your rolling end credits are done and it would look something like this. And that's it. Hope that helps.